Good PM, ngayon po ay Thursday, April 17, 2025. Wala po muna tayong draw ngayong alas 2 dahil ngayon po ay Monday, Thursday. Wala po muna tayong draw ngayong 2 PM ng April 17, 2025 Thursday para sa 2D Lotto. Wala po muna tayong draw dahil ngayon po ay Monday, Thursday. Wala rin po tayong draw ng 3D Lotto ngayon 2 PM ng April 17, 2025 Thursday dahil ngayon po ay Monday, Thursday. See you on April 20, 2025 Sunday for 2 PM and 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto and 9 PM draw result of Ultra Lotto 658, Super Lotto 649, 3D Lotto and 2D Lotto. Here are my jackpot estimates for Super Lotto 649 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Sunday, April 20, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Thursday, April 17, 2025. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.